up, y'all? This is not a train wreck video, but it is a Ranger video. 24 hours of Lemons Ranger. Put a 2.3 liter EcoBoost motor in it from the Mustang. So in this video, I completely forgot to film an intro, but that's what this is. So let's jump into the video. We actually get it running. Let's jump into it. Hey, buddy.
This is a mess. Don't video this.
Don't video it? I'm videoing it, though.
Mess.
I'm videoing it, though. What are you going to do about it, huh? You going to fight me?
I might.
Ooh.
Did the fuel pump kick on? Or no?
What?
Did the fuel pump kick on or no?
I don't know.
Okay, now push the red button once. And the screen should come on. Nope. Nothing. So there's a problem somewhere. Yeah, because you should press the red button to start it to get the accessories on. And then the Mustang emblem will come up on the display. Everything plugged in?
We have another.
Oh, you're missing one.
Somewhere. I saw it earlier. I don't know what I saw it.
Want to use it?
Nope, it's like a USB looking at.
Okay, so we're in the process of trying to get everything wired up. Have a few grounds that we're missing. We do have the light on for the push button to start, but nothing happens. Trying to find a few missing wires, but it did run, so everything is here. If you guys look back on the old videos, you can see this thing running. But just trying to figure everything else out for right now. No, you shouldn't have to have the foot on brake. Oh, screen went off. I guess the doors are probably... Okay, ready?
Doors are open?
Okay. Nothing. Oh, we lost our lights on the screen.
Let me tighten the battery, David.
Yeah.
Back to where we were.
Yep. Actually worse than we were. Hang on, let me see if I can throw the hazards on. Oh, hazards. No, hazards aren't working. Just we've lost something. Okay. Okay, well that's a good sign. Hazards work, okay. Button. Nope, screen's still not coming on. Okay, so the batteries are dead in the remote, so let's try it now. No key detected. Is that... Okay, there's a thing inside... No.
Oh, okay.
There's another box that goes in the center console.
Another box. Oh. This? You mean the one that's not plugged up right here?
Yep, that'd be it.
Dang it.
It was the same problem last time. Here, watch out, David. It's this box right here, and then you have these two that need to be plugged in.
Dang it, man.
Both of those need to be plugged in, and then everything should pop on. That's how it, I had the same problem. I didn't want to hook up the console because I didn't see a point, and then it never saw the key. Okay, let's try it now. No key detected.
The gray one?
Yeah, try the gray box.
And then the gray plug needs to be plugged up too?
Yeah, everything needs to be plugged up. Okay, now try it. No key detected. What the heck? Because it was giving me the same problem last time, so I plugged everything in the console. Okay, so thanks to Boosted Whips on YouTube, found there's actually a little spot underneath the plastic on the, or the rubber underneath the cup holder. So you just put that in there, face it towards the shift knob that should be there, and then everything came back on when we hit the thing. But now we're having a problem and nothing's starting even after we push the start button. So we're trying to figure that out right now at the moment. Okay, so the fuse box batteries or terminals were loose. Let's try it now. Nope, still nothing. Nope.
Alright, now let me check the voltage on. Yep.
Still reading good. Oh crap, the traction control's off.
Damn. Gonna go flying.
Gonna hit a crowd. Try it now. Sounds like it should be a ground. Maybe it's not ground up right. Did he ground the right one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see it now. Ooh, that works good.
AC working?
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah.
Here, let me turn it up. Fan. Oh,
Heck yeah.
I got some air. That's good.
Yeah, I think that might be a problem.
Okay, so the fuel pump's not working in the tank. I'm trying to get it started with this thing. So, I'm just gonna pour fuel. Okay, here, I got it. Ready? Yep. Stuck. There you go. Okay. I'm just gonna pour that right into the fuel line. Or let it suck it out. Okay.
I'm just here for the hot dogs.
Oh.
Go for it.
Okay, let's go. Is it sucking anything? I didn't stop it.
Why don't you shoot it into the intake? I mean, you're sitting there trying to pull it through the hose. It's got a pressure regulator on it. So far, look at it.
Okay. Okay. Oh, I got something. Woo! Ah. Dude! Oh my gosh! No!
Where'd that come from?
I don't know.
Oh, that's the transmission.
Oh man, do you hear that turbo spooling though? That whistle is crazy.
At least we know it runs. It doesn't have that fuel pump. So we just need a transfer pump.
Yeah.
Plumb it right into the intake.
With our NOS. Here. I got you. Got it?
What the heck?
You gotta push that thing down and then squeeze the whole thing. Squeeze the whole thing down.
Giant hole.
There we go. Dude, it's so loud too. Here, I'll squirt it in there. I'll let you hear the turbo, dude. That turbo.
I just want to feed it the fuel.
Okay, fine.
Good thing. You kidding me? What? Are you kidding me? Door seal.
That's one way to loop off a transmission line.
You never done this? This is the only reason why I keep this.
That's what I should use for mine. There we go. I got it.
Yeah.
I got it.
Amen.
Okay, you ready?
Wait.
Get your camera out, David.
Use the camera.
Alrighty, boys.
David, I need to put pedal action for fuel from this. Pedal action going on here.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Come on, girl. Come on. Woo! Come on. Woo! Heck yeah.
Is that on Snapchat? Oh man, it blew my hose off.
Dang it, David, you made more of a mess.
Snapchat?
Heck yeah.
Send that to me.
Hope you guys liked today's episode. We had a fun time doing it. We got the Ranger running, so now it's time to take all the wiring back off, put the cab back on, and get ready to wire everything, put everything in the cab, and make it look like a Mustang interior. Probably not, but God can dream, right? So, enjoy this road on the road to Lemons. Hope to see you guys next time. Thank you. Peace.